Hi friends, Melanie here. Just wanted to tell you, Mel discovered something really awesome. I just went to the dentist, Portash Family Dental in Portland, Oregon on Foster and 128th. I really love my dental office. Today I had my teeth cleaned and I found out something so cool. You can get numbing, a spray or a gel application on your gums before you get your teeth cleaned. If you're like me, you have complete anxiety about having your teeth cleaned. I don't like anyone touching my gums or poking my gums or accidentally scraping my gums. And after all these years, you know how old I am. Just a few years ago, I discovered that you can have this application on your gums before you get your teeth scraped and cleaned and polished. It has been such a life changer for me. Sometimes I would even have to take Valium just to get my teeth cleaned because the dental tool touching my gums, scraping my teeth caused so much anxiety. I wouldn't sleep the night before I was going to have my teeth cleaned. And so I found out about this. You want to get the whichever application they have available. It's either, I think, a spray, or today I had the gel. They put it on a Q-tip and put it on that section of your gums before you get your teeth cleaned. So I haven't looked at my teeth yet. Twinkle, twinkle. I hope they look really nice. Also, they left me with a gift. Troy Portash Dental Office, a new chapstick. Always want a new chapstick in my car. I probably have 2 or 3 right now. This is a funny story. Oh, you know how the edges are kind of crispy sharp? I like to rub them on my hand and get that smooth before I put it on my lips. It's a great feeling. That flavor is very good. They had an assortment of flavors. But I'll tell you something crazy that happened the other day. I was at the gym, and when I got a smoothie at the nutrition bar, they had aloe vera chapstick on sale. It was only $1.99, so I bought one. Guess what? Right before I went shopping, I took that chapstick and rubbed it all over. You know, like not just on my lips. I rubbed it all over like a chapstick. And then right before I went in the store, I looked, and it was completely pink. It wasn't a chapstick. It was an aloe vera lipstick that they were selling, and they didn't realize they were selling a green chapstick that turns pink. And I mean, I had pink all over. I had to use Vaseline in my glove compartment to get it off. So back to what we were talking about. I went to my family dentist, Troy Portash, in Portland, Oregon. He's so kind and professional and efficient. The whole office is just great. I love everyone there. So remember, you can get an application of numbing on your gums before you get your teeth cleaned for your 6-month dental cleaning. And it is so much more relaxing when you're on the chair and you're not feeling so much sensitivity in your teeth. Go try it out. Numbing gel, numbing spray.